Well, hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Jessica Likewise. I'm a BCBA who helps you study and pass your BCBA exam. I truly believe you guys can do anything, which is why I have on my You Can Do Anything shirt. Today, I'm going to help you understand the 4 types of tact extensions, just in case you see a question about that on your exam. So stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Like I said, today we're going to talk about the 4 types of tact extensions. So first, let's talk about what a tact is in the first place. A tact is always controlled by a non-verbal SD, meaning a listener or a speaker is commenting about something in their environment. They either see something, taste something, feel something, smell something. They feel whatever those senses are, hear something, right? I forgot one of those senses. They're using their senses to comment about something in their environment. So a tact has no point-to-point correspondence. It has no formal similarity. And it is always, the reinforcement for it is always non-specific, meaning whatever the thing the person's saying is not the thing the person's getting. It's being reinforced by generalized conditioned reinforcement. All right, well, that's a mouthful. So for example, I see dog, right? And sometimes we have that tact and sometimes we have extensions of a tact. So let's talk about what those extensions are. The first one is going to be a generic tact. So let's look at I see dog. Let's say that's the very first thing I learned. And now I walk around calling everything a dog, right? It's overgeneralization. It's caused by faulty stimulus control. So I call the cat a dog. I call the bike a dog. I call the car a dog. I call the tea kettle a dog. I call the fox a dog, the bear a dog, right? I call everything a dog. Well, really what that means is I never really learned it was a dog. I didn't really fully understand it, right? I just learned if I said dog, when I saw something, I got reinforcement for it. So you walk around calling everything a dog, overgeneralization. That is what a generic tact extension is. The next tact extension is going to be a metaphorical tact extension. This is going to be really when you're just using a metaphor. Like I'm going to say, it's raining, like it's raining cats and dogs, right? So you're using some form of a metaphor. If I say, oh, my phone is dying, right? That's some form of personification because my phone really can't be dying. Whatever. I'm hungry as a bear, right? So you're using some form of metaphor. That is a metaphorical tact extension. And that one's super simple because it's just what it sounds like it is. The next one is going to be a metanamical tact extension. And that's when something shares features about what you're tacting about, but you're using the wrong word. So for example, if I were to see a cow, right, and this is the classic, I used to do this when I was a kid, I used to always call cows moo-moos, according to my mom at least. And so I would see a cow and I'd say moo-moo because I would associate the cow with something related to it, which is what it said, but I was actually using the wrong word when I was trying to tact it. So that is a metanamical tact extension. The last one is a solistic tact extension. This one, solistic, slang, think poor grammar. Really just means that you're using poor grammar. So if I was saying, oh, I was late, or oh, he'd be good, right? He'd be good, whatever it is, some sort of poor grammar. It's kind of hard. I trained myself to speak properly, so it's hard to even think about poor grammar. I was good, whatever it is, some sort of poor grammar where you're just grammar's wrong. That's really a solistic tact extension. So I really hope this has helped you to study for your exam. I know it can be challenging and I want to support you. I do have lots of resources available on my website to help you study. So check them out. Head over to hopeeducationservices.com. There's a store tab, click on BCBA Prep, and we will get you whatever you need to get studied. I have a 5th edition course out I put out with Dr. Katie May, and I do intensives. I also offer one-on-one tutoring. Whatever you need to get to use this pass this exam, I've got you covered. So check out my site, subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna put out more videos just like this on a regular basis. So I'll see you on the next one.